Hello again, everyone. As I've done in previous years, a drive around of downtown Sarasota during the literal calm before the storm, which is where we are in right now. Downtown is a evacuation zone A and B, which means it's very susceptible to water, and we're expecting about a 15-foot storm surge, which would penetrate a lot of where we are about to drive through right now. Whenever I drive through downtown, it's always, I don't know, eerie, odd for me. It's like this mix of still normality, but also preparation, right, for the worst. So as I drive around, you'll still hear music. You might even hear in the background the music from the Art Ovation Hotel. You'll still see people out for dinner, but then you'll also see a lot of businesses that are boarded up. So prepping for the storm. So I'll start driving and just have you look around. I'll narrate a little bit as I can. We'll start with, of course, Florida Studio Theater right here. You'll see Kojo is starting to board up. All of the Tiki Lounge, although they look like they're open, and our deli. But people are still out for dinner right over here. Normal for now, at least partially, but I know that by tomorrow it'll look a little different. So thank you everyone again, and talk to you soon.